5 fresh harvested eggs. Now, I guess on the egg cooking video I did, which caused so much discussion about my chickens, I only grabbed white eggs, but you can see occasionally I get a brown. I don't know who's who, honestly, but if you compare the sizes here, they're a little bit different. It's hard to see. Actually here, there's 2 bigger and 2 smaller and a brown, so I'm not sure who's who here. You can see there's 2 different sizes of the whites and then a brown. Again, I don't know who's who, and my chicken eggs are poopy. I guess some people could say I rub them in poop just so that they are like that, but anyway, that's today's harvest. Now, these weren't planted in my chicken coop last night, or they'd have frozen, and you can see I just dug my chickens out, so that's for real. These are right out of my pen today, this morning, and shoveled out and recorded live for you. Off-grid chickens laying eggs out here in the off-grid homestead in the middle of a blizzard. What a job. I don't know in real life how long it took me to do that shoveling, but it was a job. Let's take you over to some happy chickens. Now, chickens love to scratch. They love scratching the ground. That's why some people have asked why I feed them on the ground. Well, chickens love eating off the ground. They love to scratch and pick and peck and dig at the ground and dig for their food. So that gives them a little bit of fun in their winter daytimes. I also gave them a whole mess of, oh, sorry, I'm steaming up the window as I talk. Gave them a whole mess of garden scraps the other day, broccoli ends and things that go bad on me. And they love bananas, they love banana peels, and all kinds of stuff. So they get a lot of good stuff. So they're doing alright, I think. The way I see it, if chickens are laying eggs, then they must be alright. And my birds, if they wanted to escape, the door was wide open. I forgot to shut my door. I don't know if you saw that. Door was wide open. But they know where they're safe. They like it there.